So for my dark inspired still life, I set it up a few times in my bathroom, went with that image, painted it first in just values, and then glazed it to that. So starting out, I went ahead and transferred it like we always do. Tuck our graphite paper in underneath, press down with anything, and there's our image. I mixed lamp black and deep blue. Really any would work, but I wanted cool undertones. And then I just added some white and washed the whole thing in first. This layer is to cover all the holes and get your very basic light and shadow. And then I kind of run water over the whole thing. Let it dry and transfer it again. And then went in first with my darks, just tightening everything up. Followed up with some lighter tones. And then I'm going to let this dry a few more times. And every time I go in and just make it a little bit more refined and use a little bit more thicker paint as I go. And then this last layer, I'm setting it up to let it dry one more time. And then I'll transfer one more time, just like this, for the lettering, some of the detail, the dried flowers.